Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A32 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different options to check those unique numbers. The very first one and the shorter one is to use the secret code, and another one is to use the settings. So obviously I will show you both options. So firstly, let's enter the dialer, tap on the keypad, and let me enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way to check it. Let's find the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone, and as you can see, actually on the very first page, on the very first section, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and also above it the serial number of this device. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Samsung Galaxy A32. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.